Learn and fly airplane fun time. Planes. Big passenger planes. These planes take people all over the world, even on vacations. Boeing 747, the Sky Hotel. So big it has 2 floors. Fly in style. Airbus A380, the giant of the skies. The biggest plane that carries over 800 people. Cargo planes. Cargo planes, super sky trucks. These planes don't carry people, they carry packages and supplies. C-130 Hercules, the strong giant. Flies in storms and helps during emergencies. Airbus Beluga, the sky whale. Looks like a smiling whale with wings. Small planes. Small planes, mini flyers with big dreams. Perfect for fun flying, learning, or short trips. Cessna 172, the learner's wings. First plane for many pilots. Cirrus SR-72, the safety flyer. Comes with its own parachute. Fighter jets. Fighter jets, superhero planes. Fast, cool, and full of awesome moves. F-16 Fighting Falcon, the Sky Ninja. Flips, rolls, and zooms like lightning. F-22 Raptor, the invisible jet. Sneaky on radar, like a real ninja. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Zona de Niños for more fun learning.